Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial and hope you guys are doing good, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, I'm back with another art browser tutorial for you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rename your tabs in your art browser. So let's say we're at youtube.com and I'm going to use this as an example. And let's say I search for the Drew Tutorial YouTube channel and I head over to this YouTube channel and I'm finding this YouTube channel very useful. These videos are very nice and I don't want to have this just saying Drew Tutorial. I would like to add something to it. Yeah, let's say I want to rename this and put something to it. So I can easily go ahead and right click on this and I can click rename. And let's say I would like to say videos. So I can add it and say videos and simply click on enter. And this is how you can easily go ahead and rename a tab within your art browser. You can rename it to whatever you want. You can even change it to whatever. You can change it to say YouTube, and you can just basically have it whatever you want, right? So I'm going to write YouTube videos for Drew, something like that. You can save it for whatever you want. It's up to you. You can always go ahead and rename it. But that's all. You can easily go ahead and rename your tabs in your art browser. If you find this useful, guys, go ahead and give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.